Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Deborah Himmelho and this is my friend Monkey, and we're here to teach you how to floss. First of all, there are lots of different choices for flossing. I like to use a string floss for myself that comes in lots of different brands, colors, flavors, and so on. I picked a green one today because it's easy to see. When you use a string floss, most people think you're just going to hold it like this and floss, but that makes it very difficult. Instead, you want to use your middle fingers to wrap the floss around, not your thumb, not your index finger, the middle one. Take up most of the floss on one hand and a little bit on the other so that you have a short piece of floss in between your middle fingers. Then you're going to either use two thumbs or two fingers or a finger and a thumb to get in where you need to go. For example, if I'm flossing the front teeth and on Monkey, I'm going to get one finger inside and one finger outside. I'm going to get my floss in below the contact. I'm going to curve it around one tooth, rub up and down, curve it around the other way, rub up and down, and out we go. Let's try that again. So again, coming in here, gently back and forth until you get below the contact, the place where the teeth meet, curve it around one tooth, rub up and down, curve it around the other tooth, rub up and down, and out we go. But instead of starting in the front, work in a pattern. Start all the way in the back, rub behind the last tooth, then the next one, between the two teeth, curve around the back tooth, rub up and down, curve around the front teeth, rub up and down and out. And just keep doing that one segment at a time until you're all done. Now, after you've used a segment for a little while, take it out, take up some on the one finger and off the other so you have a clean segment of floss to work with. And just keep working around. At first it will be awkward, take you a lot of time, but after a while you'll get the hang of it and you'll be faster. Now, a lot of people find the string floss difficult to work with, particularly if they're doing their child's teeth. Fortunately, there's an alternative. There are various sorts of flossers which have plastic handles and a little piece of floss suspended in between. They come in different shapes and sizes. This one's cute, looks like an elephant, but there are also plain ones with white handles and various other sorts of handles. And they work the same way as regular floss, except instead of getting your fingers in there, you get these two little plastic pieces between the teeth. So if I'm doing a front tooth, I'll come something like this, back and forth, curve it around one tooth, rub up and down, curve it around the other tooth, rub up and down, and out. And then I use my fingers or a cloth to wipe off some of the plaque or food that came out before I go on to the next section. In the back, you want to turn it a little bit differently to fit in. Back and forth, below the contact, curve it around one tooth up and down, curve it around the other tooth up and down, out, wipe, and on to the next tooth. And again, work in a pattern. When you start, it'll be very awkward at first, but after you've been doing it for a while, you'll get the hang of it. And the most important thing is to remember floss every day. And don't forget to brush. Thanks for visiting with us. Bye-bye.